Now to start with the icebreaker section, first question is about the different craftsmen. Different craftsmen are noted here. You can go through it. It is goldsmith who does the work of gold, blacksmith who does the work of iron, boat builders. Now these are the names for different people who are the craftsmen for skilled workers who are doing different crafts by their own hands. Next question, discuss with your partner the seasons, occasions when we need these particular clothes. It is very simple, woolen clothes, winter and all that, you can go through it. The third question is, who is called what? One who weaves, weaver, one who sings, singer. So go through the other questions. The next question is, uh, when Gandhiji had started ask the people to use charkha, what was the reasons? Three different reasons you have to give. First one was to give rural people opportunity to livelihood, means source of earning. The other three reasons are given: give importance to Indian cloth, to boycott the foreign cloth, and to popularize khadi. So these are the other uses. Next question, that is, name the tools that are used by the weavers: loom, comb and shuttles. And lastly, name the types of the yarn used by the weavers: linen, cotton and silk. So we come to an end of icebreakers. Coming to the brainstorming questions, let's start quickly. First one is to describe what is weaving, knitting, tailoring, embroidery, all that you have to do it. The questions that are marked with blue tick, that you have to do it in your notebook. The one that are marked with black tick, that are already completed, you can go through it. Next question is, you have to write the time of the day and the word and the phrases and the viewer's work. So that table is completed. Early morning, break of the day word is used. Likewise, the viewer does the work of weaving the robes. So like that the table is completed. The next table is the use of colors and what are the feelings at that time. So they are given. So color blue, it gives the feeling of hope and expectation. Purple, enjoyable and attractive. White, serious and calm. So next table is completed. Third activity, the next activity is complete the viewer's view in the chill moonlight. Complete that line and write it there. Next question is, pick out the two words that describe the viewers in the last stanza. That is how the viewers have the feelings in the last stanza that you have to write. So we have written solemn and still, that is they are lonely and they are still because they are wearing the white garment, that is for the to be used for the dead person. So in this way we have completed the activities. Go through it. In the next question, we have to give stanza wise activities done by the viewer, and we have to give our opinions. So last, for the third stanza, you give your opinion, rest of the do are done for you. Next question again is antonyms and synonyms. They are given there. Write the antonyms and synonyms. You have to make the sentences as per the meaning of it. Make the use of the word as an antonym, as a synonym, and write it. Next question is, make a word register of clothes, attire, dress. For that you can write you can write the list of those particular clothes. So the words, some are given to you, you can add more to it: jacket, coat, scarf, jeans, shirt, skirt. Likewise, complete the table. Next question, figure of speech is given and the lines that are related to those figure of speech. Go through the table and just find out the lines that are simile, imagery, metaphor, alliteration, and write it in your notebook. Now here the rhyme scheme of the first stanza is A, B, B. In the same way, we have to find the rhyme scheme of the second and the third stanza. It is the same. You can go through the poem and just find out for yourself. Next question is write the appreciation of the poem. This you have to do it in your notebook as taught for the earlier poem. The next question is compose 4 lines on importance of clothes. This you can do it very well. You have to write a poem on importance of clothes. Next tick mark question is the handicraft exhibition is being organized in your college. You have to write a script for comparing the inaugural function. So you have to write a comparing speech for that, script for that. Next question is you have to write what are the career opportunities that are available for small scale industries and like in the field of art and craft, block printing. Next question, find the information of Mahavastra of Maharashtra, that is Paithani. You have to write something a little bit about Paithani, that is a type of a sari. So with all these activities we have come to the end of the brainstorming part of the poem Indian Viewers. I hope you would have understood it. So let's conclude this and with a hope that you will be doing it in your notebooks. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.
So friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video and also to like the video. Thanks for watching.